I have a hard time using the screencast with any other thing. But I thought I created this for my daughter to be able to enjoy her writing and also do some check-ins. So she would click that. Today is, and then she would go to the day, and this is the daily check-in. Today is, and then she goes to the next one. How are you feeling? I feel, oh wait, she didn't put a period. And it'll read it to her. And I love the voice as a little girl's voice. And then, which I feel, and then she could put scared or happy or any of those things that she wants to put. And then she goes to the next one. Things at home are okay, period. And this would be a good way for her to develop those sentence skills, the structure, and also check in emotionally to see how she's doing. So I really, really like this, and it's very easy to edit with this back key. So there was a lot of things that you could do with some of the other stuff, but it was real complicated. So I really like this. I think it's a very simple format. I'm going to continue to play around with it and see what else I can come up